If you have Visual Studio Build Tools installed on your computer, one of the things that is added to your start menu is a program called x64 Native Tools Command Prompt. I'm just going to go ahead and open this program. And I want to show you a cool program that is called Spy++, and it's here in the folder. So I'm going to just navigate here to Common 7. And I'm going to navigate to Tools. Afterwards, I'm going to start a program called Spy++. I'm going to start the x64 version of this program. This program will help us debug messages that are sent to Windows. This is really cool. I'm going to show you here for a sec. Let's open, for example, Notepad. I'm just going to put this aside. And what I'm going to do is here on Spy++, I'm just going to press Control F, and the Find Window dialog here is going to open. And I'm going to just go ahead and drag this Finder tool from here. I'm going to drag it to the window I want to debug. And you can see that now the Notepad is getting a border over here. I'm just going to release my mouse button. And you can see Edit is now selected here. And I'm going to select here Show Messages. And then I'm going to press OK. And now the debugging has started. Just before, as you can see, if I'm just moving my cursor here, I'm going to get tons of messages, and this is a lot of noise. Basically a message that is sent for every time the mouse is moved. And what I want to do to make it simpler to read, I'm just going to filter out only the messages that I'm interested in. I'm going to press Control O, and I'm going to click here on Messages. Afterwards, I'm going to press here Clear All to clear all the selected messages to view. And let's say I only want to see messages related to keyboards. I'm just going to press Keyboard over here. And I'm going to press OK. Now I'm going to clear the log by pressing Delete. And I'll go back to Notepad over here. And I'm going to press, for example, on the letter A. And you can see that I got a message here related to the letter A that was just pressed. I can see that key down was sent, then character was sent, and then key up. Now let's press, for example, B. And we can see we get a pretty similar message for B. So you can see here really how it works under the hood. This is really cool. Let's see another example here. Let's say with mouse messages right now. So for that, I'm going to press Control O again. Select here Messages again. And this time I'm going to select mouse instead of keyboard. Now if I move my mouse into the Notepad, you can see a bunch of messages related to mouse move. If I click here somewhere, you'll see the click. So I'm just going to click. And you can see right over here on the left, messages related to the click. We have left button down and left button up. So Spy++ is a really handy tool that helps you understand what's going on under the hood. Let's finish off with a cool fact. Although it's not really intuitive, a lot of things you wouldn't expect to be Windows are Windows on Windows. And I'll give you an example here. If we use here Spy++, and I'm going to press Control F, and I'm going to use the Finder tool here again and drag it to the Start button here in the bottom. You can see that Start is a window, in fact. Even though it's a button, so you wouldn't expect this to be a window, it is a window. So buttons are a lot of times also windows. Also, the taskbar itself here in the bottom is a window as well. Subscribe for more programming videos, and thanks for watching.